label printer is printing out your shipping labels wrong. Maybe they're too small, maybe they're sideways. I'm gonna show you how to fix this in under 30 seconds. All you have to do, guys, is go to whatnot.com and click your profile picture on the top and hit shipments. Once you get to shipments, what you're gonna wanna do is click this open sidebar and scroll all the way down to this default label options. It says changes will be applied to all future labels that have not yet been generated. So all you're gonna do is click this little pencil button and change it to 4x6. The default is 8.5 by 11, but if you're using a label printer, you need to change it to the 4x6. And then I also have my packing slips saved as 4x6 as well. Super easy fix that will save you a lot of time and hassle. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that we can help other sellers as well. If you want more quick, frustration-free fixes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and watch this next video so you know which labels go on which boxes for your Whatnot shipments.